I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer.
I work until 12 o'clock. I work until 12 o'clock.
I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon.
I drink water during the day. I drink water during the day.
I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk.
I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5.
I leave the house at 8. I leave the house at 8.
I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop.
I arrive at work at 9. I arrive at work at 9.
I go to sleep at 11. I go to sleep at 11.
I go home by bus. I go home by bus.
I cook dinner at home. I cook dinner at home.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work.
I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
I eat bread and cheese. I eat bread and cheese.
I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea.
I check my phone. I check my phone.